All right, guys, are you able to hear me now? I think maybe I didn't have the setting. Um,
All right,
setting
guys,
up.
are you able
Oh,
to hear me now? I think maybe I
there was an
didn't
echo
have
going on.
the
Sorry,
setting.
guys. Yeah, I think you guys should be able to hear me now. Mm, I'm not sure why there's an echo here. All right, okay, we're good. Alrighty. Mm, not sure why I can hear myself here. All right, here's GJ coming down. Okay. Wow, look at that push down there. Wow. Hmm. Still feel USD CAD has ways to come down. GJ, too quick of a move right now. Alrighty, let's take a look here now. And I'm looking at USD CAD as a move here, but alrighty. I'm trying to get it on GJ here, guys, but the bearish pressure is too strong here. Could I get a buy set here in time? Let's see if we can get something here. Here comes USD CAD, so I'm going to get that ready. But let's see. Is GJ ready for the buy right away? 22. Could I sneak in a buy here from GJ? What is it? 183, 175. Okay, 183. Again, this might be not enough time to set this and not enough distance from where price is right now. But USD CAD is definitely moving along here. So that's good. Again, GJ could push down here, so that's why I'm getting this ready nonetheless. And TP would be at 183, 400. So 22 pips. let's make it 22.5. Yeah, 22.5 and 22.5. And what is this? 182,950. So again, not enter. I'm not entering them right now. I'm waiting for price to push down a little bit. So let me move this on the side here. 175, 950, and 400. Perfect. So right now the price is about 2 pips below. I needed to at least push down and we break this level right here. Break this level right here. So then I'll go ahead and set those buys. USD CAD is still not pushing down here. It's very close here. We got what, 11 minutes to go. 11 minutes to go before London opening. Again, I do want to sneak this buy in on GJ here, but I'm gonna need a stronger push down here before I get this. Let's see, does it push down there? No, did not push down. Did not push down here yet. Can we get one more push here from GJ? Come on, GJ. One more push down here, and then I'll be okay with setting the buy stops here. Come on, GJ. Push down here. Let's go. Nope, not pushing down. Not yet. Does it have one more push down here? It's a new 5-minute candle. Nope. It would have been a nice push here if I got in on the buys at this point right here. This would have been really nice. Look at that. It's unfortunate. Can they make it still? Can they still make one push down here? No. Nope. Still pushing up. I still feel it has one more push down before reversing here. Here comes USD CAD. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Eight minutes to go before London opening. Can we get something here? Can we get something here? And here comes USD CAD. So London opening. The USD CAD candle may close somewhere here and push down to the 1-hour EMA. Let me actually get this ready as well, so we don't waste any time. GJ again. It'll be unfortunate that it will move all the way up here. Could have entered here, but if it does make a push down here, I think we can capture these buy stops on the next go around here if it does come back down. But here comes USD CAD to the downside. So 14 pips on both ends. I'm going to put a SL here. 1.35, 715. Okay, here's the USD CAD trade idea. And wow, look at GJ, guys. Look at this. What a beautiful push there. We were just a few pips late to capture that move. I'm still keeping this on here, guys, because I do believe we'll end the opening. It may make another push before a reversal. And if it does respect this level, then that means, as you guys can see right there, it means that it will come right back down. So it could be something like this as well. Let's keep it right here. Yeah, look at that 5-minute candle here. So it can come back around, and then on the way around, it may push down further down. So with that, here's a new 5-minute candle. Again, the last 5-minute candle before London opening for both pairs. Alrighty, let's see how this goes. But I am going to adjust this trade idea as well, guys, for GJ. I do feel it can make a stronger push below here, and then a reversal. So this would be at 183, 183.80. Still 22 pips. I mean, I can probably make it more now. I think 24 is better for me. Actually, you know what? Give it 26. Just a lot of movement today, so I'm going to keep it safer. Three 340. One 820. One 340. Okay. Yeah, we're good. But GJ still pushing up here. Trying to see if we can come down one more time here. And then use USD CAD. 3 minutes to go. We do have, Swiss Chef news here, but nothing crazy from any other pair here, especially the pairs that we're trading. Not until at least the only high impact news is the unemployment claims at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, which is again is half an hour after London or New York opening. So not much to be worried about. But I mean, wow, GJ just made somewhat of a crazy move down here. Look at this whole dump right here. Wow. We're scaling in onto the smaller time frame here. Smaller time frame range. And here we have something here. Let's see again. Will I look for the sells here? I'll think about it depending on how London opening opens up here. Do I use 20 length for you? You may know 50 length. All right, a minute left. Here's GJ reaching the top end of that range once more. I have a buy stop ready here, but again, if it does reach the top end, it could potentially sell off here, which again, I don't know if I'll have enough time to set that, of course, in real time. And here you can see the 1 hour is awfully close now. And here's GJ pushing all the way up. You can see on the 30 and 1 hour 30 minute and 1 hour time frame here, you can see that's merely just a wick. Here is GJ. Look at this push. Can it push all the way down here? All the way down here. Come on, GJ. Let's go. Wow, and USD CAD is as well. So I may have to get both ready, although both are buy stops. Again, I'm going to wait out for USD CAD. I think USD CAD may push up above a little bit before GJ pushes down here. Wow, look at that push. Got to start getting this ready as well. Again, the only reason why I kept these buy stops is because I did anticipate London opening pushing down here. So the only reason why I kept this open is because I felt the London opening, we may get a push down here, a temporary, bearish push before GJ comes back around. And USD CAD may push above slightly before retracing, but here comes GJ. Look at this, guys. Wow. Look at that. Correctly anticipated? Maybe so. Let's see here. 183.80. I mean, look at the 15-minute here. You can see that it can certainly come down here and make a stronger push and break below the previous low here. And then a potential reversal there. But if it can give us that full push, USD CAD may retrace above here and then make a further push down there towards the 1 hour EMA as it's moving up closer and closer to the bottom end of that, again, potential range. But here's GJ here. Nice push. Again, wow, look at that. Again, I have everything set here except placing the order. Of course, I need the price to break below the entry point here. It's almost there. I mean, the 50-minute looks pretty clear here that it can push down. Patiently waiting here. It's only been 3 minutes into London opening and this hasn't made a full push yet. Again, I still think it has it in it to come all the way down here. Still feel that way about GJ. Again, there's a lot of time with just the first 15 minutes to close here, and you can see that it can close somewhere down here, but we still have a lot of time left for the 15-minute candle to close. We have what, 11 minutes to go. And here comes USD CAD here. So again, I'll have this ready to go as well as it completes its push down there. Okay. Okay. USD CAD is making that push now. Nice push. Nice push. Again, how many pips it is below? It's about 6 pips below entry, so that's not bad. GJ is certainly pushing down as well. New 5-minute candle here. Let's go. Look at that. GJ came all the way down here, guys, and no top wick on the current 5-minute candle. Come on, a little bit more of a push here. A little bit more. Nice push. Come on, GJ, a little bit more. And it's about 5 pips from the bottom end here, from the entry point, and then needed another 5 pips or so below that, so I could go ahead and enter the buy stops. Nice push. No top wick on the current candle, however. But look at the 15-minute candle is coming right all the way down. Nope. Still not pushing down strong here. Although, again, I do believe that it can come all the way down because the 15-minute candles, the two previous 15-minute candles, kind of close in the same area. It could be a third one here with London opening. That it could close down here with the new 50-minute candle opening up with the push below. And at that point, I think this buy stop will be ready. USD CAD again still floating above the 1-hour EMA. Not convinced yet that it has reversed. Alrighty. Still waiting here. Got 8 minutes to go for GJ. For the 50-minute candle close, and that's what I'm looking at here. That it will push down and break the slow here. So it'll push down, break the slow here, make a wick, and then come back right away, and then boom. And then once it does reach back up here, I think it can make waves ways up above here to 5-minute and 15-minute and so forth. So that's why it's very necessary that I see GJ pushing down here so I can capture and hold the runners for some period of time above. Nice push, nice push. Again, all I have to do is just place the order. I have everything entered already. I just need to go ahead and submit. Press on place. But I do need a larger push and a break below this level here, guys. I need it to come at least down to 183, maybe 45 or so. Nice push, nice push. It reached that level, broke that low. And again, now I just need a few more pips down here before I can consider this. We do have another 5-minute candle opening up. You can see that 15-minute candle now. Expected it to come down, and it did exactly that. And no top wick on the current 5-minute candle. No top wick. You're not willing to enter yet. Need one more push here. One more push. Come on, GJ. One more push. Can they do it? It was about 4.8 pips below. It's about 4 pips below the price right now, or below the entry point. No, did not give in yet. But again, I'm not fully convinced either from GJ here, guys. I'm not convinced yet. May wait until the new 50-minute candle. But I'm not convinced. So again, I feel that 50-minute could close here, the 50-minute candle, with the new 50-minute candle pushing down. And after that push down, I think the buy stops will be ready. Right, so now the 50-minute candle is too close of a call. And you can see how price is settling at the bottom end of the range here. So don't want to be tapped in before the 50-minute candle, and it pushes down further and potentially could stop us out here. And that's why, again, I'm going to wait for that. We got 3 minutes to go. So if I missed a move before the 3 minutes, guys, that's just because I don't want to take the risk. GD has been on a huge bearish momentum here, which is not normal movement, right? Typically within a day. And so I'd rather not risk that and lose a setup, or risk losing a setup, and keep my risk low here and wait for the new 50-minute candle. If I miss the move, again, it is what it is. I'm not willing to risk entering here only to be maybe potentially be, tapped in and in drawdown and potentially stopped out here. So that's the way I look at it. I'm going to play safe here. Okay, 2 minutes to go. Okay. Again, GJ could close within the range here because looking at the left here, which is what I mentioned earlier, but with the new 50-minute candle opening, it could push down and create a larger wick and then the reversal, right? So that's what I'm looking for. It's working right to the plan right now. Nice push. Nice push. We got less than a minute to go, guys. I am going to wait out for the new 50-minute candle. Again, if it pushes down further now, I may consider entering before the 50-minute close, just because again I'll have enough pips of a distance between the price and the entry. But it seems like it's going to be closing right here, which is too close to the entry point here. So here it is. Again, it can close right within that range. Seconds away now from a new 50-minute candle. And here it comes. Here it is. Here it is. Can we get one more push below here? One more push below. Ooh. I believe we can. One more push. So see now, if price breaks this low here, guys, and pushes below here, that's automatic set buy stop for me. Because this is good enough of an indication and good enough of a room and distance between the price and the buy stop here. And patiently waited for the new 50-minute candle. And I think, yeah, this would be ready now. If this can come down here, here you see CAD is pushing up, so GJ could come down here. Yeah, if GJ can come down here, it was close as what? 4 pips, almost 5 pips away, and now it's about 3 plus 4, 7 pips away. So another 6, 7 pips below. And I will consider the buy stops here. I'll feel much more confident. I do believe that the risk will be lower. Here it comes. It's nearly there. It is the new 15-minute candle. Just a minute in. Come on, DJ, make one more push here. I just need a push about of 4 pips, 5 pips, 6 pips now. It's not giving in. Nope. It is pushing down here. It's really battling at the bottom end of the range here. Again, just need one more push down here, guys. One more push. So 7 pips to get down here, and then a break of that. So 8, 9 pips. Yeah, here it goes. Okay. Nice push. Look at that, guys. Look at this. This is what I want. Was exactly what I needed here. Because he made a perfect push down here. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. And wow, look at that pressure here. Wow. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and set the buy stops here. Yep. So the buy stops are set for me, guys. For GJ. Okay, they are set for me. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Here comes GJ. Here again, the 50-minute candle could close right back in that range. And then we've secured this setup here. So I like that push down there. I was expecting that push. I called that whole move right from the opening. I didn't remove the buy stops. And here it is, guys. Here's GJ's pushing up here strongly. It's probably tapping the 5-minute here as well. Okay. So correctly anticipate everything about this move here. And now this is the push that I was expecting here. And this would be the strong push above to break above that. Let me see, 5-minute here. 8 minutes to go to close the 30-minute and 50-minute candle, which can close right back in that range. And let's see if now this is if this call is correct as well, then we're going to get TP, and, I'll let runners run, guys. I'll let runners run. Come on, GJ. One strong push here. Nice push. Nice push. All right, just got tapped in, guys. Just got tapped in. Right there. Come on, GJ. Push right back in that range. 30-minute close is coming up as well in 7 minutes. Again, I made sure it's 26 pips here, guys, just because, GJ has moved a lot of pips today, a lot of pips. And we could get the 50-minute candle close right back in that range, which is what I'm expecting. So everything was correctly anticipated and calculated with this move. Now this is the last part of GJ here to, get it back in that range and complete the full trade, the range trade here. So we can capitalize on the setup here and a potential continuation to the upside. So we got another 5-minute candle coming up, and then we have the 15 and 30-minute candle close, which again, it could close within the range as the range has been respected. But I like this push down right here, which allowed us to enter the buy stops comfortably and within reasonable time here. And now just got tapped in here. Can we get one more push above here? Right back in that range. We got a 5-minute candle coming up in a few seconds here. We got USD CAD right here. It's 9-10 pip zone here. So it could see it coming right back down. Here's GJ. Ooh, look at that pressure. Still active. Bearish pressure here. But nonetheless, again, the 15 and 30-minute candle could close right back in that range. That's exactly what I'm expecting. No bottom wick on the current 5-minute candle. All right. Has an engulfing end on the bottom now. And a wick at this point. Nope. Look at that push. Wow. Wow. Again, kept it 26 pips, guys. I knew that there's a lot of bearish pressure. Was even thinking of making it 30 pips or 28, 29 pips, but felt that if we get this push down here, this could come right back up. And now we got a 15 and 30-minute close coming up. Does it come right back in that range? Oh, wow. Look at this. Man, GJ is just going crazy today. Look at that. Oh, wow. No chances here. Is there any chances here? I mean, oh, wow. Look at this. Four minutes to go, guys. 4 minutes to go. And GJ still pushing lower. Wow. Does it come back up? Again, I did make sure to keep it 26 pips, guys. I knew that there's a lot of bearish pressure on GJ, but it was respecting this range right here, as you guys can see. Does it come back up? There's 4 minutes to go. It's still a lot of time to come right back up. Still a lot of time here. Ooh, the bearish pressure is just so strong here. Wow. Wow, still going down here. Still under 4 minutes to go. I mean, does this survive here? Does it not survive? Here's a new 3-minute candle to really scale down here, because this is just ludicrous here. Does it come all the way back up? Does it indeed? Ooh, wow. And use USD CAD. I do believe we can get some sells here as well. So I'm going to push this on the side here. And I think as it comes up to the 5-minute and 15-minute EMA, actually it is at the 15-minute EMA. I can consider this level right here and look for sell stops here to the downside, and it probably could reach the 1-hour EMA here as well. So GJ should be pushing up, but wow, just the bearish pressure is so strong on GJ today. Wow. Got 3 minutes to go. It can still come all the way back up. Still can come all the way back up here. 2 minutes to go now. Ooh, one last attempt here. Again, I'm looking at, wow, no chance for GJ. Wow, look at that. No chances. Still active for me. Oh, wow. No, and wow, gone. GD gave no chances today. Look at this, guys. Absolutely rocked this right down. Wow. And that was something. Okay. Well, still got USD CAD here. We're the 1 hour EMA. Okay. So we got a new 30-minute candle, so I can look at this. You can see the 30-minute candle open down here. It's going to open down there. And wow, I mean, that was 26 pips, guys, all the way back down. Nearly just tapped us in, and boom, look at this. It's unreal what's happening with GD right now. Now, could I expect one more move above here with USD CAD and then a push down here? I certainly can. 135.950. Wow, look at GJ here. I'm going to keep this open here just in case if I do look for it again. But the bearish pressure is just so strong right now on GJ. I don't know if I can consider that right away. Here's USD CAD, guys. I'm going to look at this. I'm going to keep it maybe 12 pips here. Or 11. Let's do 11. So I'm looking for a push above there. GD is still pushing down here. Look at that. Okay, here's USD CAD. 136 SL 136 070 and TP here. 1.35 850. See, the 1 hour can come right back in, but wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, 10, 15, 20. Each one keeps getting bigger and bigger. Look at this, the 1 hour candles here. Wow. It's amazing to see. 850. 950. 960. 950. Yeah, that's where it should be. Here comes GJ back up here again. Am I convinced yet? Okay, we'll see the next 5-minute candle. $8.40. Okay. So looking for GJ to come one more time. The next 5-minute candle can push one more time to the downside here, and then I'll look for another chance there. So I'm not setting these yet, guys. I'm waiting for GJ to push down further. And I'm still looking for USD CAD to push down above this level and then taking the sell stops here. How many pips above is it right now? It's about 9-10 pips. Wow. Okay. 182.890. To 630. Here comes GJ again. One more push down. Come on, GJ. Nice push. That's the push I was looking for. $8.60. And still looking for one more push. Come on, GJ. One more push. 600. Okay, there you go. And 26. 183, 120. All right, guys, I'm setting this GJ buy stops here. Setting the GJ buy stops here. So 182.860. All right, here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes GJ. And we'll look to hold runners as well if it pushes all the way up here. Into 860, 120. 600. Yep. 26 pips one more time. Again, USD CAD, I'm looking for one more push above this level so I can set this as well. Here comes GJ. No, still didn't get tapped here. It's a good thing. But here it may come. Okay, here comes USD CAD as well. So right now the price and the entry is about 11, 12 pips away. And we'll look for something above here. Look at that push, guys. Wow. Just wow. Look at that. So that's a good thing they didn't get tapped in on this. Could I adjust it one more time here? Well, look at that push. Right now, the price is still 11 pips to go. $770. Okay, gonna modify this, guys. 770. 26 pip stop loss here. 540. 25 should be 26. $510. USD is pushing up as well, and wow, look at that push. All right, guys, here it is. It's coming back up. So they're modified. 182.770. 182.510. And 26 pips. $770. 30. 183.30. No chance with GJ, guys. Just, wow. It's a full, what, 26 pips just from where the price is right now. Wow. Okay, push one more here. All right, guys. I'm going to remove this. Remove buy stops. It's not ready. Because that range now on the 1 hour, it can still come back. But look at this. No. This doesn't look good. So, removed all the buy stops. I'm only going to look for USD CAD now. GJ is not ready for a range right now. It's not worth it. I'll stop that once. And this range just did not, even if it did not, the 30-minute, the 50-minute candle still, was relatively within that range frame here. The 15-minute, sorry. And then this 50-minute broke out here. And then, of course, the 30-minute also closed right there as well. And so the 1 hour now is just way out of touch here. Although it can push above, but I mean, the bearish pressure is just too strong right now. It's not worth getting caught up in that. GJ is just not ready right now. Yeah, look at that. Not ready yet. Man, GJ is just wow. The only range that it kind of really had was this area here. Nothing much here, nothing much here, nothing much here. Slight. And of course, that was already an existing range here. So once the drop happened, it just never ceased to, enter a range. All right, here comes USD CAD again. This could push above, as you know that there's a range here, but I will be looking for the sell stops safely. There's a non-wick candle above here. Let's see how far it pushes above. It is about 1.5 pips above the entry point. See how much more it can push above. All right, it's making a push. It's a new 50-minute candle. Can I give one more push here? Let's see here. Sell stops. Good, nice push above here, guys. I am going to be placing the sell stops now for USD CAD. So sell stops for USD CAD. Can I use directional bias now to get something going with GJ here? But USD CAD is set for me, guys. fill up the non-wick candle here. It filled that up. Now does it come back in this smaller range, or does it continue above here? We got 12 minutes before another hour candle opening here. Again, that hour candle can come right back in here, guys. We could see that. We could see that from GJ here. Let me see how many pips below is it now. Wow, look at that. Or 70. So 182. If the USD CAD drops here, I can use this directional bias here and the inverse correlation to get it back right back in that range. Okay, one more push down here. Oh, here comes USD CAD. Here comes USD CAD. It's a nice area right here. So USD CAD, okay, USD CAD is about to tap us in here. Still 9 minutes to go. GJ comes right back down here and makes a lower low here, guys. I will consider this. Here is USD CAD about to tap me in here. It is tapping the EMA here, so let's see, does it reject or does it push down from here? It rejected it. Let's see here. Okay. We got a new 5-minute candle coming up in less than 3 minutes. All right, less than 2 minutes to go. All right, just a minute to go now. It is pushing. Look at that push. Wow. It was a nice area right there. Couldn't get in on this move quickly. All right, new 5 minute candle. In the last 5 minutes before closing off the hour here. Wow, yes, this would have been a nice push. Look at that. Would have tapped our TP here. Wow. Look at that push. Just could not get in on this in time. No bottom wick here. Can I look for the sell stops here? This is a nice range, guys. Wow, 36 pips just like that. Here comes USD CAD. Again, there's the hour close right back in that range. Here comes USD CAD. Here comes USD CAD. And GJ is coming right back down as well. No bottom wick. Again, USD CAD is the only setup that is enter right now the sell stops and waiting to be tapped in. Here it comes. Here it comes. And it is at the 5 minute EMA. 15 minute EMA is below there. Or less than 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes left before the new 1 hour candle here. You can see it's respecting this level. Even though there's a non-wick candle above here, but nonetheless it's respecting this level. Less than 2 minutes to go for a new 1 hour candle, guys. Let's see what happens here. Could have got this TP hit. Just was not quick enough in getting this setup ready. Again, everything happened so quickly here. All right. Here comes USD CAD. Making a strong push here. Nearly there. Mm. Nope. Just under a minute to go, guys, for a new 1 hour candle. Let's see what happens here. All right, here's the new 1 hour candle here. Could see this range being respected here all the way down here, guys, but I just don't think it's enough time to add the sell stops here. $9.50. All right, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove the sell stops here for USD CAD. I don't feel comfortable with these sell stops. I'm going to remove them. I feel like GD is going to reverse here, and USD CAD is going to continue up here. So, yeah, avoiding that. Now, what I will do, guys, here is I'm going to set the G to sell stops just in case if price does push above. I'm going to get these ready instead. And I feel USD CAD can continue up here. Oh, well, here's USD CAD, but again, there's a 5-minute EMA, 15-minute EMA there, and it could push above. I'll be more inclined to take the buys once it reaches a 1 hour EMA than taking the sells right away here, guys. Because I do feel it can come all the way up here, and then the sells from there, but I don't feel comfortable taking the sells at this level here. Okay, let me set this though, however. Let's keep it 28 pips here. Wow, it's really pushing down. And wow, USD CAD, ooh. Again, I still don't feel, yeah, it's tapping the 50-minute EMA. It could come right back up. Again, I'm going to hold to my bias, guys. I don't feel USD CAD is ready to come all the way down. I feel it's going to come up here, but it certainly can respect this range. If it does indeed, I'll look for the buys once it reaches below here in the 1 hour EMA, but I didn't feel that the movement was along what the range that I felt it's a part of, and you know, I made that decision to remove it for myself. So Alrighty. Let's see. Does GJ push all the way down? So missed this full buy here. Would I miss this whole sell down here as well? I don't think so. I think it still has room to come back above. Could be wrong, but look at that 15-minute. Wow. Looks clean. And wow, USD CAD is pushing down as well. Wow. I mean, I would love to ask, did anybody hold on to the sells for USD CAD? Anybody held on? See, that's what I didn't feel strongly about, the 5 and 15-minute. But the 5-minute now has no bottom wick. The previous 5-minute candle has no bottom wick. GJ is coming up. Does it come all the way up here? Let me just set this just in case. Okay, removed USD CAD. Okay. You can see they're both moving exactly the same as well. 490. Okay. It doesn't seem like USD GD is coming up again. Let me look at that push. So miss the buy here, misses the near sell unless it comes right back up here. And USD CAD is pushing up here. Man, a lot of interesting movements here. Look at that push. Alrighty. Wow, look at that push from USD CAD. But now there's no bottom wick here. The 30-minute EMA was below there. Am I going to consider the sells here once more? Because of the non-bottom wicks here, and also the 30-minute EMA with the 1 hour EMA approaching that level as well. Very interesting. Now, do I go back into the setup here, right? Because of added confluences below the price. New 5-minute candle is coming up as well. See on the 50-minute candle, it can come right down, which again, I would see it happening unless here's a new 5-minute candle. Let's see. All right, here is GJ making the attempt. Oh, wow, USD CAD. Wow. Missed this full move above here for a full not 2 TP setup, but at least 1 point, maybe 2 TP setup here. And then the sell off here. Did not catch those, and let's see if it does come back up. Does price come back up? Rebound from here. And remove the sell stops for USD CAD here before the drop here. So that was also a missed move, potential missed move here. Yeah, look at that. So one missed move here. Got late in setting the buys here. That would have been TP. Hit right there. And then the sell off here, which again removed it minutes prior to the drop here. Did not feel confident again because of the two of the candles closing above the 50-minute EMA and over the 5-minute EMA as well. So these two right here. And felt that this move up would be consistent with the left. But instead it did reject from here. And it's approaching now the 30-minute EMA there. So we'll see. So two missed moves here. It's unfortunate, but again, that's part of the game. It's okay. Now USD CAD is pushing down here, so I could see it come down to the 30-minute EMA and the 1 hour, which is again so much more closer now to the bottom end of the range. And if that would happen, then on these or this trade ID on the left here would be considered for USD CAD. Likewise, if GJ comes up here to the top end here, I could consider this as well. Okay, nice push. Again, what I could see here is, guys, that either respects this range right here. Look at this nice push. There's a small consolidation zone. If it respects this level, the push down, which is consistent with this trade idea, we could see that. And again, this top end of the range right here and the bottom end was drawn out before price reached at this level, respected it for a second time. So this is just because of this potential 3 candle respect of this level here, and saw that it could form out a resistance here as well, which indeed it did. And let's see USD CAD again. I'm looking for the 1 hour EMA now. It's a tap. All right, it's a new 50-minute candle. All right, guys. As far as anybody watching on YouTube, I will be closing out YouTube in about 5 minutes or so, guys. If we don't get something developing here, actually we may get GJ here, but I will be closing out YouTube in about 5 minutes. The rest of the stream will be on Zoom. Oh, look at that push down. So missed this whole push above, missed the sell all the way down here. Wow. So again, I can't look at the sell stops anymore unless it makes a reversal right here. But I do have the buy stops ready over here. Look at that push. Okay, look at that push. Yep. So this is gone. No problem. Look at that push. Get this ready. Can it break below that level? Come down here. Sure it can. $182,400. There you go. Nice push. Nice push. Look at that push, guys. Okay. Gotta get this ready now. 20, what is it, 8 pips? Yeah, 28 pips. 22,680. $28. 680. 28. 180 to 120. Okay, there you go. I like that push from GJ, guys. I like that push. Come on, GJ. One more push. Let's go. Let's go. Keep it going. Okay. Here we are. So 182, 400, guys. Buy stops. I'm setting these right now, guys. All right. I'm about to be tapped in here. All right. Ooh. All right, tapped in. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, look at that push. 400. Let's go. Come on, GJ. Keep it pushing up. I gotta go to the 3-minute, guys. It's just so fast right now. I just can't see much on the 5-minute right now. Wow. Did anybody get in as well on this? Look at that push, guys. Beautiful. Anybody get in? Love to hear that. Okay, perfect. Okay, we got a new 5-minute candle here. Finally got something here. And guys, I'm going to hold on to these runners, guys. I'm not closing up fully. If it gets up here, I'm not closing fully. This could run. This could run for some time all the way up here, guys. To a potential EMA tap up here. 3-minute and then 5-minute above here. So I'm holding on to these guys. Hopefully we get something out of this GJ push. Come on, GJ. Let's keep it going here. Nice push. Keep it going, GJ. Come on. Let's keep it going. Give us about what? 11 pips in profit here. Nice push. Come on, GJ. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep it going. Nice. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at that push. Nice push. Come on. Keep it going. Here's USD CAD again. Could be a sell-off here as well. As GJ makes a strong push above. So I can look for the sell stops here for USD CAD, guys. But I'm going to take partials off GJ here, guys. Let's see. Partial, sorry, yeah, TP1 here. Not fully. Nice push. Beautiful push. Finally, we got something here. We missed this buy. We missed the sells here. 14 pips. It's halfway there now. Look at that push, guys. Beautiful push. Look at that. Beautiful. Come on, GJ. Let's keep it going. All right, guys. Stops at break even. Risk free right now. In fact, I'm going to adjust my stop loss right here. 182.450. Right here. And keep it running. Look at that. Beautiful. Keep it going. Come on. Keep it going, GJ. Come on. Let's keep it going. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. And USD CAD, I need to set the sell stops here as well, guys. This is, gotta really do this fast. Man. Come on, GJ. Keep it going. Keep it going. Guys, I'm taking partials at TP1. Letting runners run. Let me just show you guys where TP1 is first. 182.680. Come on, GJ. This time I think it's going to push above, guys, to the EMA at least. The 3-minute and the 5-minute here. We can get big movement out of GJ here. Let me see. No, I need a strong move above still. Not ready yet. 12 pips. It's perfect. Ooh. GJ moved down pretty strongly here. No. If you guys feel you guys want to secure some more here, maybe you guys can. But yeah, this may come down for another wick here. See, 3-minute candle here as well. And one strong push here, guys, can do the trick here. We got a new 5-minute candle coming up as well. 970. Come on, DJ. Certainly give us a nice strong push above. It's a new 5-minute candle coming up right now. Again, still a decent profit, guys. If you guys want to take more of a chunk off right now, it's about 13 pips, almost, yeah, about half, 50% right there. If you guys feel like you guys want to take a chunk off here. It's a new 5-minute candle. Any sec. Yeah, there you go. New 5-minute candle. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. I'm looking at the USD CAD sells here. Look at that. Nice push. Keep it going. We got a nice bullish pressure here. This could keep it running, guys. Let's go. Come on, GJ. Keep it going. Keep it going. Again, you guys are welcome to take some chunk off, as you guys see a lot of profit here, right? It's more than halfway now, 60, 70%. Either you guys want to close fully, you guys want to close partials. You know, that's up to you guys. Adjust your stops into more profit. But definitely do something here because there's no bottom wick here. And we may get to come right back down again. Right? We understand the bearish momentum on GJ, guys. So keep that in mind. But I do believe, again, this will run. If it does push above this TP here, guys, this will run to at least the 3-minute and then the 5-minute EMA. Look at that. Beautiful. Keep it going, GJ. Come on. One more push here. One more push. There's no bottom wick, though. That's the only thing. Yeah, there's too much going on with GJ, guys. I don't have time right now for the USD CAD setup here. Too much going on. Nice push. Let's go. Because I got to take partials off here, so I don't have time to, set the sell stops for USD CAD right now, guys. I'd rather secure some profit here. Nice push. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. Look at that. 15-minute can come right back up here. We got 4 minutes to close a 15 and 30-minute candle. So that's good on one hand that it could push up, but at the same time it could come all the way back down as well. As look at that. Nice push. Beautiful. Let's keep it going. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Yeah, guys, I'm going to hold on to this. I'm going to cut some partials here and allow the price to move above. But again, it needs to make a strong push here to close off the 15 and 30-minute candles, which I believe it can, and it is doing. We missed two ways here, the buys here and the sells here. But here it comes, guys. Look at that beautiful push. And it's almost there. Again, no bottom wick though, but nice bullish pressure there. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It went to 25 pips nearly. Still moving up here. Here's USD CAD as well. Look at that push. Beautiful push. And I'm going to take some partials here, guys. Beautiful push. Here comes USD CAD as well. All right, a minute to go before the 30-minute close, guys. A minute to go. Come on, GJ. No bottom wick, though. No bottom wick. All right, guys. I took some partials right here. So I took more partials right here. It's at 182, 620. So I took some partials here. And now I'm waiting for the full push up. So I still have runners coming up. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, keep it going. Nice close. I like that close for the 30-minute right there. I like that close. Keep it moving here. Here's USD CAD as well. Okay, I gotta get set this, guys. All right, let's do this. I like that close from USD CAD 50-minute right there, and then it can certainly push all the way up here, guys. I'm gonna let some runners run, guys, on this, because this one could go ways. Ooh, could not get into the USD CAD sell here, guys. Again, I'm not worried about this because I think this one can go far ways, unless USD CAD can push above. So I'm not that confident about the setup right now, guys. So I'm gonna leave this on the side. If GJ comes all the way back down here, we'll see what happens. But a beautiful, beautiful setup so far. Let's go, GJ. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. Let's go. Again, guys, we recognize this range much before it even started forming out. And again, unfortunately, this range didn't hold up, but this range definitely did. Could have got the buys here. Missed the sells here. Two setups that we missed back to back. And here is GJ. Come on, GJ. There you go. So that's where I closed out some partials here. And can we get a continuation up? I believe we can, guys. I think this could be a strong bullish run, at least to this level right here. And then it could return here. We're going to need a 5-minute candle coming up as well in the next 3 minutes. But I think with a 30-minute close, I think that was a really, really good close. And we could continue the bullish run here with a green close above right here. Green candle close. Okay, got in GJ buy. Okay, what region are you targeting for your runners? So runners, looking for these EMA taps right here. So 5-minute, I think, is a really good one because this was a support of a earlier range that did not hold up. So the 5-minute would be nice, but again, I did close majority here, 60%, and I have the rest running the stops in profit here, right there. So if I do get closed out, I've only closed out 60% plus the remaining in profit at this level down here, right? If it doesn't hold up, now price did come back and fill up the non-wick candle right there, and it is pushing down here. May get stopped out here. Let's see what happens here. Does it reverse or does it continue down? So the 5-minute EMA would be around this territory right here. So 183, 100. Could see it come down up to. All right. So price just came back, guys, and fill up the non-wick candle here. Look at this. Just came back, fill up the non-wick candle, and it's returning bullish here. Look at that. Beautiful push here. Beautiful push. Look at that. So perfect area for stops in profit. It held up, and look at that move right there. And let's go. And a new 5-minute candle is coming up as well. Look at that push. Look at that close or near close of the 5-minute candle. And look at that full rejection there. Look at that, guys. Beautiful right there. Beautiful. Wow. What a push. Really satisfied with that push and that close of the 5-minute candle, which is any second now. And look at USD CAD. Missed the sells here, guys. But again, I had the idea for the sells here. We could have got in here. As you guys can see, would have given us enough room here. But I was too concerned about GJ, guys. And I think rightfully so. So, please don't mind. Could have gotten the setup here as well. We got a lot of setups that we missed here. But it's okay. GJ is only the second setup right now. And as you know, once the market settles here, that's where the um, range trading is in full effect. And that's why you guys can see a lot of trades are being, are in development and developing. And that's where, again, the strategy and system is at its full strength. And we got to see a little bit of that right now. And again, GJ is not far off. It went in about how many pips in profit, about 25 out of 28. And it's certainly can be tapped, and it can reach this region right here. Again, I'm looking for the 5-minute EMA at least for price to reach. But this range, again, you can see pretty evident that it can reach here. Man, it's still pushing down here. It's not giving up on that bearish momentum, guys. Look at this, even at this stage. Now, if this turns around again one more time, then this is definitely going to TP and beyond. But if only this holds up here. And look at that candle right there. I mean, look at that previous rejection to the upside, and now look at the next candle. This is a 5-minute candle here. It's absurd how GJ is moving like this, guys. We don't see this much of a pickup of volume here. But wow, look at this. No kidding. No kidding. All right, guys, a couple more minutes, and I will end off YouTube here. We're going to continue on Zoom. There is a setup looking for USD CAD as well. And for GJ, again, I'm going to continue holding the runners. Again, it could be a fake out all the way back up top here. So let's see how the 5-minute closes in 3 minutes. But that's as much as I will do on YouTube, guys, for today. We'll continue the rest on Zoom. But let's see here. How does this hold up here? 3 minutes left to go. Does it make another fake out to the upside here? Which, again, is not a home pick for it, because now, it came so close to tapping me out once here, now twice here. Price is still pushing down here. It's awfully close to my stop loss level here, which is in profit. Second time around now. Let's see, does it hold up here? Does it push back up? There's 3 minutes to go to close out the 5-minute candle. 2 minutes left. I think there's a lot of bearish momentum here. Let's see. It's last chance here. Does it survive, or does it come all the way back down? Still 2 long minutes to go. KGG is pushing down here, guys. Awfully close. Awfully close. A minute left to go. A minute left. Could push up all the way back up, guys. Let's see. All the way back up top here. Seconds away from a new 5-minute candle. And what does it do? Here's USD CAD is pushing down here, so GJ can certainly push up. And again, the sell stops would be missed. Again, I'm looking for the buys here, which should be over here, the trade idea. And so the original sells here that we had here can still would have worked out here as well. Look at that nice close of the new 5-minute, this current 5-minute candle. Once again, guys, 2 consecutive 5-minute candles like this. Wow. And still held up here. And the original sells here were missed from USD CAD as well. But a lot of action here happening. I don't mind now. The third candle now, the third 5-minute candle here again It's pushing bearish here one more time. Wow, no top wick. Cannot make this up right now. Look at that. Here it is. Need a rocket candle, exactly. I think we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it here, guys. We're gonna get it here. Come on, let's get TP hit right here. So I'm still staying on for the YouTube family there. So, you know, take this as a bonus right now. And you were taken out. Ooh, no. Okay. Anybody else taken out, or everybody still in? No, this one was close here, but I mean, it was. How many pips is this? Yeah, 3 pips. I mean, should not have been, unless you had a different stop. Did you have a different stop? Or was it the same as a 182.450 here? Okay, nonetheless, we're still in, guys. I'm still in. Closest I got is about 3 pips for my stop loss, which is in profit. We're gonna reach the full 1% here and beyond. There you go, TP hit. Let's go. Let's go. And I'm continuing this, guys. So partials already were taken out at this level here, and I'm gonna continue this now. So 28 pips. I'm gonna actually keep this over here. So that's a marker for 28. So TP1 and TP2, guys. It's going to be the 5 minute, but 3 minute would be next target right there. Perfect. Oh, okay, 182 500. Okay, got it. That's why. Because I was wondering, I mean, 450 still wouldn't have taken anybody out. Okay, hopefully you took some partials when the price was up here as well, as it was nearly at the TP level. Closed half at 25 pips. Not bad. Let's keep it going. Let's go to the next EMA tap right here, which is again at the top end of this range here. So let's keep it going. Come on, and USD CAD should be coming down here. If it is not, that's okay, because I mean I don't consider the inverse correlation intact at all right now, because GJ has just gone crazy today with the bearish momentum. But nonetheless, I'm letting runners run, guys. Letting runners run. Wow. Let's go. Let's keep it going. I took partials. Nice. There you go. Let's keep it going. All right, guys. I am gonna close off YouTube here, though. I think you know, we got our full 1% at least break even day. Even though right now, if you keep holding GJ, I believe it's gonna come up to the top end and continue at least to this level right here, 182 100. And so you would be profitable for today as well. So on YouTube, 3 days in a row, or 4 days in a row, sorry, it's been profitable every single day, right? So yeah, we'll close it off there for YouTube, and I will continue the rest of the stream on Zoom. So for the rest of you guys, I will come back tomorrow for Friday pre-NFP, and we'll go from there. So again, as always, guys, trade safe, take care, and I will see you guys tomorrow.